Land Rover introduces the all-new Defender 90 into its sometimes elegant, mostly rugged SUV lineup. Land Rover is streamlining engine options for most members of the lineup, and debuts a new special edition. Land Rover has also updated most of its SUVs with the new Pivi Pro infotainment platform, which debuted on the Defender 110 last year. Only the aging Range Rover and Range Rover Sport have lost their dramatically improved technology. Land Rover's new but retro Defender squad enters its second year with the addition of the new Defender 90, a short-range iteration of the Defender 110 that features 3 doors, 5 trim levels, 2 powertrains and seating for 6. Additionally, Land Rover is introducing a new X dynamic display package for the Defender 110 models with S, SE and HSE trim levels. The company's only SUV equipped with standard 3-row, 7-passenger seating, received many updates to styling, cabin and engine bay. This year, Disco is offering a choice between 2 turbocharged mild hybrid power plants. A 296 horsepower 2.0-liter 4-cylinder is standard and a 355 HP 3.0-liter 6-cylinder is optional. Inside, you'll see a new Pivi Pro infotainment screen, a new digital gauge cluster, upgraded second-row accommodation and third-row seats that fold more easily. Discovery's activity key is also updated, and features such as a heads-up display and click-and-go tablet holder are also available. Smaller and cheaper than the Discovery, the 2021 Land Rover Discovery Sport gets the new Pivi Pro infotainment system, along with a surround view 3D camera, driver monitoring system, traffic sign recognition and lane keeping assistance as standard equipment. Includes the package online smartphone integration system and a new air filtration system with PM2. Land Rover's flagship SUV may be nearly a decade old now, but the new special edition remains in demand. The Range Rover 50 Edition celebrating 50 years since the first version of the iconic SUV was launched off the assembly line. Land Rover will produce 1,970 units with a unique badge, each based on the autobiography trim level. The new Westminster Edition is also debuting, based on the Range Rover HSE, while the Range Rover Dynamic Black Edition is a new version of SV Autobiography. Land Rover's smallest Range Rover sees minor changes aside from the new Pivi Pro infotainment upgrade. The Range Rover Evoque now includes a new 3D surround view camera as standard equipment, a rear collision warning system, an online package to seamlessly integrate the smartphone into the infotainment system, and a new PM2.5 air filtration system are available. The new HSE Silver Edition joins the Range Rover Sport family, equipping the SUV with 21-inch black alloy wheels and silver exterior trim, while the SVR Carbon Edition mounts a carbon fiber hood and carbon fiber accents inside and outside the SUV. A new premium black pack appearance package is available for the HSE dynamic trim level, with a black exterior and black 21 or 22-inch alloy wheels. A new PM2.5 air filtration system is also standard. The midsize Range Rover Velar SUV gets 2 new powerhouses for this year, in addition to the standard turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharged, 335 HP inline-6 comes with the Velar P340, while the mild hybrid i6 makes 395 horsepower in the Velar R Dynamic HSE. Additionally, the Velar benefits from active road noise cancellation, a new PM2.5 air filtration system and the next-generation activity lock with LCD watch.